Hi everyone, welcome back to Priyanka's tutoring classes. So today we are going to start with Taylor series only, the problem 2. We have already solved the problem 1 in my before video and this is a problem 2. This question I have already written the given terms. We have to solve it for x is equals to 0.1 and 0.2. Y naught is equals to y of 0 is 0, it is given, and we have a dy by dx. This is a very simple question, yet an important question. You have this question even in your model question paper. And starting with the problem, we have to first find what is your x naught, what is your y naught. As I told in the before video also, this is your x naught and this is your y naught. And how you have to find out also I have told you before itself. Now substituting dy by dx as y dash, we get 2y plus 3 e raised to x. So what we have to do, as I have told, you have to differentiate, substitute, differentiate, substitute. Now first what we are going to do, we have differentiated already. First I've given you as differentiation only. Now what you are going to do, you are going to substitute. So how are we going to substitute? Y of x, y dash of x is equals to 2. What is the value of y? It is given here, it is 0 plus 3 e raised to 0. If you put this into calculator, you get the answer as 3. Now what you have done, you have differentiated, substitute again. Now what we are going to do, differentiate. So this we will differentiate again. So y of double dash is equals to 2. 2 is going to stay as it is. What is the differentiation of y? The differentiation of y is y dash plus the differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to ex itself. So this is not going to change entirely during how many times also you differentiate, it doesn't matter. It is not going to change. It is going to be 3 e raised to x itself. Now you have differentiated, now we will substitute it. Y of double dash x is equals to 2 of c. What is the value of y1? It is 3 plus 3 e raised to x is. Once you put this into calculator, your value will be 9. Now what you did, you differentiated, you have substituted. Now what we are going to again differentiate this third time. So 2 differentiation of y dash is going to be y double dash plus 3 e raised to x is not going to change. Now that you have differentiated, we will put the values. Y of triple dash of x is equals to 2 . This is going to be 2. Y double dash value is nothing but it is 9 plus 3 e raised to 0. So if you put this into calculator, your value will be 21. Now what you did? You differentiated, you substituted. Now you have to differentiate again. So this is your okay. So the tricky part here is they have not told you when to stop. They have not given any degree like 3rd degree, 2nd degree or 4th degree. So ideally if they have not given any degree, it is better to do 4 degrees at least. So we are going to stop it till 4 degree. Don't do it until 3 or 2, maybe it may seem very short, and if you do till 5 degrees it may become a very lengthy process. This is very easy question. You can there is nothing much to differentiate, but ideally I guess you can stop till y raised to 4. So we can differentiate it until y raised to 4. So differentiating this again, we get 2 y raised to 3 plus this is not going to change. Now that you have differentiated, we will put the values. Your 2 is going to stay as it is. Y of triple dash value is 21 plus 3 e raised to 0, and if you put this into your calculator, your value is going to be 45. And after getting this done, now you have already done till first. This is your first, this is your second, this is your third, this is your 4th time. So you have done 4 degrees. So this much is enough. Now after finding the values for 4, now you have to write your Taylor series formula and start substituting. So this is the Taylor's formula which I have written. I have written it till the 4th term. So we'll first write down the values what we got. Y dash of x was 3, y double dash of x was 9, and y triple dash of x was 21, and y worth of x was 45. So you are going to substitute these values into this formula. Y of x naught is 0. It is given in the question itself. It is 0 plus x minus x naught. X, you have to keep it as it is. X naught is also 0. Your y of double dash is 3 plus x, keep it as it is, 0 the whole square divided by 2 factorial. It is 9 plus x minus x naught is 0 the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y of this is 21 plus x minus 0 divided by 4 factorial into 45. So yeah, I have not done anything. You have just substituted the values. You have already have got everything. You have solved everything. After doing this, we will simplify this. To why are we going to simplify this? To put it into calculator. This is not preferable to put into calculator, so we will simplify this. 0 plus x minus 0 is going to be x itself, into 3 it is going to be 3x, plus x, it is x minus 0 is x itself, and x raised to 2 is x square divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 9 plus x cube divided by 6 into 21 plus x raised to 4 divided by 24 into 45. Now what are we going to do? We are going to, 0 is not needed, 0 can be removed. Okay, so this is your finalized answer. You can simplify it more, but this is fine. You can put this into your calculator. I'll tell you how to put this into your calculator and get the answer. Now we have as we solve the entire problem, we have come to this equation, and how you are going to solve this equation is you are going to put it into your calculator. So once you put this value into your calculator, putting the values into calculator is very easy. It can be changed in your calculator, but you have to just put those values here, and then you are going to press this solve button. This solve button in your calculator can be anywhere. Just see if there will be written it as solve. When you press that, it asks for the x value. So your first x value was 0.1. So your answer is going to be 0.3486. So again press the button solve, and then put whatever your value is. My value is 0.2, and then we have your answer as 0.811. So now, after I showed you how we are going to put the values in the calculator, and after putting this value in the calculator, y of 0.1 we get 0.3487, and y of 0.2 we get 0.8110. So this is the solution of the problem 2. This question is actually important in the point of your SEM and exams. It is an easier one, yet important one also. I hope there are no doubts. If you have any doubts, then put them in the comment section. I will reply to you. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the channel, and share it to all your friends so that it can be helpful to them also. Thank you.